Come, ma'am.
Wow!
Ay! Kuan, hay mo. Hanggang sa patagahan. Happy Valentine's! Happy Valentine's, ma. Abi ni magwala na. Happy Valentine's, ma'am. Eh, kinsa man ni?
Wala ka, wow.
Happy Valentine's, ma'am. Tears of joy. Okay, kay Valentine's karon, magpa-end na gid no, wala ka na rin. Okay, so naay mo ang pa-flower diri, ma'am. Happy Valentine's Day, ma'am. Diri ka lang, ma'am. Inkurisa. Di ka sa tunga, ma'am. Diri, ma'am. Inkuri lang kay gaulan. Happy Valentine's, ma'am. Happy Valentine's Day, ma'am. So, naay ko ang message diri si sir. Basahon ako. Okay, pagkakuan ako si sir. Okay, basahon ako ang message ni sir, ma'am, ha. To my wife, Rosemay, Mang, my love, my friend, my one and only, I love you with all of my heart, body, soul, second to God the Almighty. I think about you and our children every day, even though I'm far away. I am so proud of you being called mother to our children. They're who because of you, Rosemay. No relationship is perfectly, but thanks to God that reminds us every day by His Word to put Him at the center of our relationship. The commitment we have is founded by love because God first loved us. Daghan patag amazing years to take, kabalo ka na ma-improve pa nato from good to better. I love you so much, miss you every day. Take good care always with our kids. Sige lang, happy taman ko mo uli. 1 year and 9 months na lang. Happy Valentine's to my love. 224, your Superman. Emerson Senior. Yahay, ang mong gusto ingon kay sir. 224, ganda trending raban eh. Ang mong gusto ingon sa iya ha, ma'am, ni sir. Pag first time niya nag-surprise daw, ano siya?
Sorry. Wala ko nagpunta kanin mo. Love you.
Yay! Okay.